Hi, this is Bea from Sorcery Soap, and I wanted to show you how to make soap sprinkles. So today I was going through my fragrance oils and I realized that I was going to make a soap with a fragrance oil called chocolate something or other, and I haven't done that yet. And then I was watching a video on YouTube about a cake maker that I like to watch because I don't know, I just like the way he does stuff. And so I wanted to show you how I make soap sprinkles. So many years ago I put up a video how to make sprinkles. I don't remember if I showed you exactly how I did it, and I know lots of people do it differently. And because I thought, you know, I don't want sugar. I don't want sugar stuff on my soap, so I'll make it out of soap. So anyway, so I've extruded these. So let me show you this first part here. So I extrude these like this, right? And this is just one of the extruders that comes with this. And they're kind of stuck together at this point. So I take them apart and give them a little roll so that they're straighten out. So this is the brown we have on the website for this week. Today this will be posted Friday, so today it's like a milk chocolate brown. And I guess that's got me started to think of all the soaps, like the different food soaps I can make. Okay, so put those over there. Give them a little spray of alcohol, let them dry off a bit. Alcohol helps to dry, by the way. It does not help to, it doesn't sterilize, it doesn't disinfect. It just dries things out. And so these seem a little bit long. I think maybe I'll make a couple of short ones. So what I'll do is I'll cut them on my workstation today. Make a bunch of these nice little tedious jobs, but cut them on my workstation today and leave them. And then once they're dry enough that I can pick them up without damaging them, I'll put them on a paper towel and leave them to really dry. Chocolate soap with some sprinkles on it in my future. All right, thanks for watching. I hope your day's good. Bye.